The line we don't cross. Unpacking Holy Ten's, Muganhu. If there is one thing we know about Holy Ten, it's that he doesn't just drop songs, he drops conversations. His track, Muganhu, featuring Michael Magz, remains one of the most significant entries in his catalog, especially as we look back at the evolution of Samanyanga Sounds. In Shona, Muganhu means boundary, or limit, and true to his brand, Mujaya uses this track to draw a line in the sand. But what is he really telling us? The sound of the struggle. Produced by Holy Ten himself, Muganhu carries that signature gritty, 808 heavy sound that defined the risky life era. It's a track that balances the aggression of Zim hip-hop with the deep, poetic introspection Holy Ten is known for. When he teams up with Michael Magz, the chemistry is undeniable. The track serves as a reminder of the Bhundu Boyz energy they brought to the scene, a period of dominance where they weren't just making music, they were setting the pace for the entire industry. Defining the boundaries. The song dives deep into the themes of self-preservation, knowing when to shut the door on fake energy, respect, establishing where your kindness ends and where people's take advantage begins, the hustle, the reality that in the streets of Harare, if you don't have a Muganhu, you'll get swallowed whole. For the Chero TV family, Muganhu isn't just a club banger, it's a lifestyle anthem. It's for the person working 9 to 5, the student in the library, and the hustler on the corner who knows that protection of peace is priority. Why it still hits in 2026. As Holy Ten continues to evolve, moving through projects like Musarowi Nzou and his latest risky interludes, Muganhu stands as a foundational pillar. It reminds us of the raw Holy Ten who wasn't afraid to speak his truth, even when it sparked controversy. In a world where everyone wants a piece of your time and energy, Mujaya's message is simple. Ziva Muganhu Wako. Know your limit. What's your favorite bar from Muganhu? Let us know in the comments. Down finger. Hashtag Chero TV, hashtag Holy Ten, hashtag Muganhu, hashtag Samanyanga Sounds, hashtag Zim Hip Hop, hashtag Mujaya, hashtag Michael Magz, hashtag Zimbabwe Music, hashtag Risky Life, hashtag Harare Hustle, hashtag Support Local Music.